Bonjour les amis, today we're going to cook a poulet basque or poulet basquaise. This recipe came from the southwest of the France, near to Spain, and it's very lovely with tomato and peppers. You're going to see that. As usual, before starting cooking, you need to prepare all your ingredients. You need to chop everything ready to cook. So let's see what you need for your poulet basque or poulet basquaise. So let's start to cook now. So we heat the pan. We're going to put some olive oil in your pan and some butter. I'm going to melt the butter. Don't overcook your butter. And you're going to roast your chicken. Always the skin on the pan like that, first. So I'm going to salt and pepper my chicken. And we're going to leave just roast the surface of the chicken to become brown. So as soon as your chicken is starting to be brown, you can turn it. Like you're starting to have a nice brown color on your skin face. And you leave brown the other side. So our chicken is nice, have a nice color now, so I'm going to remove my last bit here. So they are just color, they are not cooked yet, chicken. And now I'm going to put my onions. Garlic and my lardon. So all that are going to take the flavor of the chicken So you keep your chicken on side, we're going to use just after. So we're going to cook our garlic, onions and lardon a little bit, and after we're going to add our vegetable inside. So now our lardon and onions and garlic are nicely cooked. We're going to add our vegetable. So that is our chopped tomato. And that is our lovely pepper. So you mix all together. You put some salt, some pepper, and you can add a bouquet garni to bring some flavor. So we're going just to leave like that for 5-10 minutes to cook the vegetable. And after we're going to add the chicken and make the sauce. My vegetables are cooked now, so I'm going to transfer to a big bowl because we're going to put back our chicken in. Voilà, so that we can keep on side, and we're going to put our chicken back to the heat. So now we're going to create some kind of sauce, some kind of roux. So for that, I'm going to add my flowers on top of my chicken, like that. And we're going to cook the flour with the juice of the chicken. So you turn. You leave 1-2 minutes just to cook the flour. And after you can pour your homemade chicken stock. Voilà. You're going to add your vegetable. We're going to add some cayenne pepper to spice the dish because this spicy dish, not too much. Just like that. You don't know, but it smells very nice already. So it's plenty of colors, everything is nice, and you're going to reduce the heat. And we're going to cover and leave them for 15 minutes, half an hour. So after 15-20 minutes, our chicken is cooked, our vegetable is cooked. You can add a little bit of tomato sauce, puree tomato, concentrate. Mix all together. Like that is going to give nice color to your chicken. and it's ready to serve. So this recipe, you can serve that with ras, obviously. Ras is the best one. But tagliatelle, you put your chicken on top with the juice. And it's lovely. So you take your piece of chicken. After you pour with your sauce. And this is a chicken basquaise. So we have your chicken basquaise finished now, ready to put in the plate. Well, it's already in the plate, and ready to eat. So I wish you a bon appetit, and as usual, if you have any comment, don't forget to comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to push the thumbs up, it helps our channel, and subscribe as well. It really it's very help our channel to subscribe. So bon appétit, mes amis, and à la prochaine.